Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum students. I hope all of you are fine and doing well at home. So students, as you know, we are reviewing the previous lecture. So this is again your reinforcement lecture of chapter number 11, Fundamental Concepts of Geometry. Now, next is what we are going to do from this chapter. You know, yesterday in the previous class, we did the reinforcement of exercise number 11.4 and some definitions. And today we are going to review exercise number 11.5, and the topic that we are going to cover from exercise number 11.5 is complementary and supplementary angles. Okay, first topic is complementary and supplementary angles, and the second topic is to find unknown angles. Means you are going to learn how to find unknown angles. Okay, so let's start from the topic number one, that is complementary and supplementary angle. So what are complementary angles? Students, as you know, if you have two angles, okay, two angles whose sum is 90 degree. If you have two angles and the sum of those two angles is 90 degree, so they are called complementary angles, and each one is called the complement of the other. Now let's consider this figure. In this figure, how many angles are there? Two angles. Okay, this is your angle number one and this is your angle number two, and they are adjacent basically. Okay, because they are sharing one common arm and they have a common vertex, right? So one common arm and common vertex, so these are the adjacent angle. If the sum of these two angle is equals to 90 degree, so you will see that these are complementary angle. As you can see here, the measurement of this angle is 30 degree and the measurement of this angle is 60 degree. So if you will add 30 into 60, your answer will be 90 degrees. So you will see that these are complementary angles because their sum is 90 degree. Okay, similarly, what are supplementary angles? If two angles whose sum is 180 degree, they are called supplementary angles. Okay, if the sum is equals to 180 degree, so it will be called as supplementary angle, and each of them is called the supplement of the other. Now let's consider this figure. In this figure, this is your angle number one and this is your angle number two. The measurement of this angle is 60 degree and the measurement of this angle is 120 degree. So 60 plus 120 will be equals to 180 degree, means their sum is equals to 180 degree. If the sum of two angles will be equals to 180 degree, so you will say that these are supplementary angles. Understand? So what are complementary? If the sum of any two angles is 90 degree, so it is a complementary. If the sum is equals to 180 degrees, so it will be a complementary angles. Okay. Now, in exercise number 11.5, the question number 2, what you have in question number 2, write the complement of the following angles. Okay, in question number 2, what you have to find out the complement. One angle is given and you have to find out the other angle. You have to find out the other angle. Okay. Now, first you have 39 degree. Okay, this is the one angle, and what you have to do, you have to find out the complement of the other, means you have to find out the unknown angle. Okay, so obviously you know the measurement of one angle and the other angle is unknown. So what you will suppose, you will suppose that let the other angle which is unknown is x. Okay, this is your assumption. Okay, this is your supposition, means what you are supposed that let the other angle which is unknown is x, and when you will add this x into 39, okay, this is the unknown angle which you are going to find it out right now. So when you will add any two angles, so their sum should be equals to 90 degree. Why we are taking here 90 degree? Because we are going to find out the complement. Okay, we are going to find out the complement of this angle. Understand? So what we will write, as you all know that the sum of two angles will be equals to 90 degree. So that's why the sum of two angles is 90 degree, so it will be a complementary angle. Okay, it will be a complementary angle. So what you will do, simply you will write it down, x plus 39 degree is equals to 90 degree. Okay, now this is plus 39 and you are going to find it out this one. So what you will do, you will shift this towards the right side. As you all know that when you are shifting anything towards the right side or left side, so what you will do, you will change their signs. Okay, so how will you write it down? Simply you will write it down, x is equals to 90. Now here you have plus 39. Now here it will become minus 39. Okay, here it will become what? Minus 39. Okay, now what will be the answer? 90 minus 39 degree, it will be equals to 51 degrees. So answer will be 51 degrees. So what you will say, the complement of 39, okay, you will say that the complement of 39 is 51 degree. And if you will add 39 plus 51, so answer will be equals to 90 degree. Okay, this was your unknown angle X that you have find it out. Okay, now move on to the next question. In exercise number 11.5, question number 3 is write the supplement. Okay, now here you have to write down the supplement. Now you know if the sum of two angles is 180 degrees, so that will be the supplement angle. The given question you have is 75 degree, and here you have to find out the supplement. Okay, here you have to find out the supplement, not the complement. The another angle which you are going to find it out is obviously unknown. So for this, what you will do, you will assume that let the other angle which is unknown is x. Okay, the other angle which you are going to find it out is just suppose x, and you are going to find it out this x. Okay, so how will you write it down? You will simply write it down x plus 75. Okay, x is your unknown angle plus 75, which is your given angle. So x plus 75 will be equals to 180. Why you are going to write it down here 180? Because you are going to find out supplement of the given angle, right? Now, what you will do simply, this is your known angle. Now you will shift it towards this side and it will get subtracted from 180. So how will you write it down? Simply you will write it down x is equals to 180 degree minus 75 degree. Understand? So what will be the answer? Yes, very good. Answer will be 105 degree. Answer will be 105 degree. Understand? Answer will be 105 degree. Is it clear? So what you have to do, you have to find out the complement, supplement of the given angles. If you are going to find out the complement, so you will subtract it from 90 degree, and if you are going to find it out the supplement, so you will subtract it from the 180 degree. Understand? Now we are moving towards the next exercise, same exercise, but the next question, which is 11.5, and here you have to do the fill in the blanks. So for this I am going to show you the video. Okay, I am going to explain it with the help of video. So as you all know, what you have to do right now? Yes, what you have to do right now? You have to tell me is the video is clear or not. Clear? Is it clear? A little bit blur, obviously it is due to internet or some other issues, but I hope you can understand what is written inside the book. Page number 161, exercise number 11.5, page number 161. Okay, should I start? Should I start? Okay, now let's start. It's clear now, no? Yes, it will clear after a few time due to internet connections, you know. So what we are going to do, you are going to find it out this one. Okay, question number 4, fill in the blanks. Okay, this is the question that you are going to solve it right now. Question number 4, fill in the blanks. In question number 4, what you have, the question, angle PQS plus angle SQR is equals to 90 degree. And there is your angle PQS and SQR. So as you can see that this PQS is equals to 70 degree. Okay, look at here. Understand? Look at here. This PQS is equals to 70 degree and this SQR is equals to 90 degree. Sorry, is equals to A. And this is the unknown angle which you are going to find it out right now. So I'm going to solve it in the book, in the copy, and I will also tell you how to draw this figure, right? Now look at here. Here is your question. Okay. As you know, this is the what? This will be what? This will be complementary angle. So you will write it down according to complementary angle. Let's look at the way how to solve it. Okay, according to complementary angles, PQS was equals to 70 degree and SQR was the unknown angle which you are going to find it out, and it is equals to 90 degree, right? Clear? This is the angle PQS plus A degree is equals to 90 degree. Now you have to find it out this A, right? So what you will do, you will write it down here A simply, and then you will copy down the right side, that is 90 degree. Now here it is plus 70, so on the right side it will become minus 70. Understand? So what will be the answer? A is equals to 20 degree. Yes. So the unknown angle or the supplement of 70 is 20 degrees. Supplement of 70 is 20 degree. Now the next is how to draw this figure. Okay. Now next question is, how will you draw this figure? Now you have to draw this figure. So for this, what you will do, first you will draw the angle of 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree. And as you know that you have already find it out that your A is equals to now 20 degree. Okay, so you will make the angle of 20 degree first. Understand? Now look at here. I have D. As you know, we will use D for the construction of this one. Now look at here. First, I am going to draw a ray, simple, of any measurement. As you know, ray is immeasurable. Okay, just line and then the arrowhead. Now I am going to place the center point of this D on the end point of my ray in this way, and then mark here 20 degree because the angle A is equals to 20 degree. Now the next, we are not going to mark here 70 degree, okay, because if you will count it out from here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, it will be 50 degree. So 60, 70, 70 will be lies here, means you are going to make the angle of 90 degree. So you will make the dot here just like this, and then simply, now which is your first dot? This is your first dot and this is your second dot. So all these dots will be connected with the end point of your first ray, just like this. Understand? Just like this. Now this is the ray, so that's why we are going to place an arrowhead. Now this was your A, now which is equals to 20 degree, and this is equals to 70 degree. Now how will it will become 70 degree? How will you measure this 70 degree? Look at here. You will place this D over this line just like this. And now as you can see here, this is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 70. Now this angle is 70 degree and this is of 20 degree. Understand? Clear? Is it clear? Now move on to the next one. This one. Exercise number, question number 2. Clear? Now look at this one. What is your question number 2? This one. Now here what you have, measurement. This is means measurement. Okay, it means measurement angle ABD plus measurement angle DBC is equals to 180 degree. Okay, x plus 120 degree. Now what is ABD? This is ABD and this is DBC. DBC, which is equals to 120 degree. So you have to find it out this unknown angle, which is x. Okay, now for this you should know what is the proper criteria after this class. Hashmi, after this class. So since the sum is equals to 180 degrees, so what you will write it down here, according to supplementary angles. Okay, what is according to supplementary angles? According to supplementary angle, x plus 120 is equals to 180 degree. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to find it out this x. Okay, you have to find out this x. So what you will write it here, simply you will write here x is equals to, this is 180, this is plus, so it will be minus from here. Okay, this is equals to sign, minus 120. So answer will be equals to 180 minus 120. Answer will be equals to what? 60 degree. Okay, answer will be equals to 60 degree. Now what you have to do, okay, one thing is missing here, which is what? The points. Okay, you have to write it down here, the points. What are their points? This was P, Q, R, and S. Okay, now for the construction of the figure number 2, what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw a straight line. As you all know that the sum of the two angles is 180 degree. So how will you form the angle of 180 degree? Look at here. Simply you will draw a straight line. Okay, I'm going to show you according to your image. Now look at here. Clear? First I'm going to draw a straight line, just like this. Okay, when I am going to draw the straight angle, so what we will do, I am going to make this point. Okay, on this point I am going to place this center point of the D. Okay, this point, just like this. Okay, their lines should be coincide with each other, just like this. Simple, like this. Understand? Now it is clear. Now first angle which I am going to make is the what? Which angle? I am going to make the angle 120 starting from this side. As you can see, 120 is also here and 120 is also here. But you have to make it towards this side. So you will make the point over here, right? And then simply join this point with this one. Understand? And then simply make the arrows over here and simply write it down. This is given to you, which is 120. And this was x, and you have find it out that your x is equals to 60 degree. Now this is point A, this is point B, this is point C, and this was point D. Clear? Is it clear? Please tell me, is it clear? Okay, now move on to the next one. Bit number 4. Now which is your bit number 4 in the book? Look at here. This is your bit number 4. Okay, okay, this one is very simple. As you know, 50 plus y, what will it be equals to? It will be equals to 90 degree. So you will find it out with the help of complementary angle. Now look at this one. In this question, what you have to do, you have to find it out the x, which is the unknown angle. But as you can see here, this is the straight angle. Okay, this is the straight angle, but the measurement of this angle is unknown. Measurement is not given to you, and you have to find it out this x. So as you can see here, you have two angles. Okay, this one and this one, and together they are forming the angle of 90 degree. Okay, together they are forming the angle of 90 degree. So you will solve it according to complementary angle, not according to supplementary angle. Okay, please keep it in your mind that if you have such figure in which the two angles are collectively forming the angle of 90 degree, as you can see together they are forming the angle of 90 degree. So what you will do, simply you will solve it according to the complementary angle, means x plus 45 will be equals to 90 degree. Okay, now what you will write it down here. Now first of all you should have to write down the reason. How will you solving it? So this is the reason. What is the reason here? According to yes, I will explain it. Hamza, please wait. According to complementary angle, x plus 45, the given measurement of the angle was 45. X plus 45 will be equals to 90 degree. Now what you will do, simply you will write it down here. X degree is equals to 90 minus 45, and x will be equals to 90 minus 45 will be equals to 45. Clear? X minus 45 will be equals to 45. Now, how will you draw this figure? Books hai aap sabke samne? Do you have books in front of you, everyone? Please tell me. Okay. Now I'm not showing the book here. Just look at here. Very good. Thank you. Now look at here in the book. First, you will draw this line. Okay. First, you will draw this line. Straight line. Okay. Then make the arrowheads here. After that, take the center point. Now, which is your center point? This one. This is your center point. Now, place your D over this point, just like this. This is the point, so you are going to place it this line. Now, first you will make the point here. This is a 0 degree. Understand? And then what you will do, you will make the angle of 45 degree. So this is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So 45 will be lies in between 40 and 50. So you will point it down here. Okay, you will make the points here. Understand? Now what you will do, first you will draw a line here. Okay, and then you will also join this one. And then make the small arrows here. This is must. If you will not make the arrows, so you will get wrong answer. Okay, this is must. Now, this is equals to 45 degree, which is given to you. And this is the egg that you have find it out that it is also equals to 45 degree. Now, what you have to do, you have to measure this one. How will you measure it? Place this point of the D on this line and this one, in this one. Look at here. Point here. This one. Now, as you can see here, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45. Okay, 45 यहाँ lie कर है. So, this angle, the angle from this side to this side is 45. Also, the angle from this ray to this ray is also 45. Understand? And together, collectively, they are forming the angle of 90 degree. Clear? Now, move on to the number 7 bit. Okay, upon your high request, I'm going to solve this one. Now look at here. What is 7 and why it is difficult to all of you? Now look at here. This is your bit number 7, and in bit number 7 you have 3 angles. Angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3, and you have to find it out this P. Okay, now this P and 30, if you are going to add just P and 30, your answer will be wrong because they have also the another angle. Understand? Now, in complementary or in supplementary angle, you will only require 2 angles. Okay, how many angles required in complementary or supplementary angle? 2 angles. But here you have 3 angles. So you are not going to write it down here according to complementary angle. You will simply write it down according to straight angles. Okay, straight angles के अंदर जितने भी angles होंगे, their sum is equals to 180 degree. So you will write it down according to straight angle. Now, the measurement of this angle is unknown. Okay, so what you will see that this is basically a perpendicular. Okay, these lines are intersecting at the angle of 90 degrees. So no need to find it out. Simply you will say that it is equals to 90 degree. Why 90 degree? Because it is a perpendicular. Two lines are perpendicular to each other. Okay, two lines are perpendicular to each other. So you will say that this is 90 degree. Right? Now, what you will do, you will solve it according to straight angle. Do you have books in front of you? Because now I'm going to write it down the reason here. What reason will you provide here? According to what? According to straight angle. You have 3 angles. The sum of 3 angles will be equals to the first which given was 30 degree. Then you have identified that the another one is of 90 degree, and then you will simply add the given unknown angle, which is P, and all of them is equals to 180 degree, right? Simply you will write it down here. What you will write it down here? 30 plus 90, 30 plus 90, what it will be? It will be equals to, anyone? No one? It is equals to 120 plus P is equals to 180. Now what you have to find it out, you have to find out this P, which is unknown angle. So you will shift this 120 towards this side. So how will you write it down? P is equals to 180 minus 120. Okay. Now 180 minus 120, P is equals to 60 degree. Answer will be equals to 60 degree. Okay. Now the next question is, how will you draw it? How will you draw it is the next question. Now look at here. Just a minute. Look at here. In this, what you will do, as you have already find it out there, your P is equals to now 60 degree. So first you will draw a straight angle, okay? Then mark on the right side. On the right side, you will mark over 60 degree, and on the left side, you will mark here 30 degree. Okay, you will mark here, it will be equals to 30 degree. So now I'm going to show you how will you draw it. Okay, before that, I am going to write down the points of this angle, which was A, B, C, D, and E. Right? Now move on to this one. First, what you will do, you will draw a straight angle, just like this. Okay. Then make the center point here. It is must. Okay. Make the center point here. This is your center point. Then write down the arrows here, and then place your D over this center point, just like this. Okay. Now, as you can see here in your book, on the right side, you will make the angle of 60 degree. Okay. Here you will make the angle of 60 degree. This is 60 degree. And on this side, I'm talking about this side. On this side, you will make the angle of 30 degree. Okay. So here you will write it down 30 degree. Okay. Now you will join both this point to the center point. Just like this. Okay. Then make this arrowheads here. Then make the arrowheads here. Now, simply you will write it here. The given points, which are A, O, B, P, and Q. Now, one by one, I'm going to show you how will you measure the angle. This was the P, okay, which you have find it out that it must be equals to 60 degree. Now, as you can see, this P. Okay, the 0 from this line to this line, it is equals to what? It is equals to 60 degree. Okay, now you have identified that this is the perpendicular. Now I'm going to show you how it will become a perpendicular. Look at here. This line, place this line over this line. Okay, place this line over this line and mark it here. Now look at, you see, this is 90 degree. From this point to this point, from this Q to P, the measurement is equals to 90 degree. And as you know, it is a perpendicular. So simply you will write it down, it is equals to 90 degree. And this was the which is given, which is equals to 30 degree. Okay, so this is the way to solve this angle, this question. Now the last question, which is question number 8, you have to find it out A, B, and C. But in which question? In question number 8. In question number 8, you have to find it out this A, B, and C. So you are going to use a complementary, supplementary postulate, and as well as a vertical postulate. So A will be find it out with the help of the supplement postulate, because the adjacent angle of A is 30 degree, and together they are forming the angle of 180 degree. So for A, what reason you will provide? According to supplementary angle. Okay, according to supplementary angle. Welcome, Hamza. Now, for A, you will write it down here, the heading. You will write your heading here for A. Now, you are going to find it out A with the help of what? With the help of supplementary angle. So, you will write it down here according to, this is the reason, okay? This is the reason. According to supplementary angle, What? Given क्या है? 30 है. Okay. So A plus 30 will be equals to 180 degree. So A is equals to 180 degree minus plus है तो यहाँ के minus हो जाएगा minus 30 degree. Please tell me the answer. Very good, Hamza. A is equals to 150 degree. Understand? Now look at here in this book. Now you have find it out that basically this A is equals to 150 degree. Now next is you have to find it out B. Okay, next the you think you have to find it out is the B. So how will you find it out? B, with the help of vertical angle. As you can see here, the vertical angle of V is this one and the measurement of this angle is 30. As you know, the pair of vertical angles are congruent, so you will write B is equals to 30 degree. Similarly, for C, you will check the pair of the congruent vertical angle. The congruent of C is A and A is equals to 150 degree. So what you will write it down, you will find it out B and C according to vertical angle. So collectively, you will find it out B and C. How? Simply you will write it down here. For B and C, because the reasons are same, so simply you will find it out at the same time. You will write it down here according to vertical angles. According to vertical angles, B will be equals to what? Can anyone tell me? B will be equals to? B will be equals to, yes, 30 degree, and C will be equals to? C will be equals to 150 degrees. So both of them you have find it out according to vertical angle. Now, please keep it in your mind. These are the reasons that you have to write in each and every question. Okay. Now I'm going to draw the figure. I hope you have the book in front of you. For this, what you will do, you will make a straight line. Okay. Books हैं आप सबके सामने? Okay, make a straight line and then make a point here. Okay, you will make a point here and place the arrowheads over here. Okay, now this one, place it over here on this point. Now as you can see here, you have the angle of 30 degree which is given to you. Can you see it in your book? Here you have the angle of 30 degree. So you will make the angle of 30 degree here, and what you will do, simply you will join this point with this one, this point, and also you will extend it lines towards the bottom just like this. You will make a cross. Okay, you will make a cross here. This is the rays. Now this was A. Okay, this is equals to 30 degree. This is B. Sorry, this is C, I think. This is B and this is C. Clear? So this is the way to draw the figure. I hope it is clear to you. Please tell me, is it clear? Okay, now this is the end of the session. This is the end of the session and I'm going to share the lecture again. One minute. Just give me a minute. Now I'm going to share the screen again so that it will be clear to you. So this was a question that we have solved today. Now, questionnaire. Now let's start the questionnaire. Now solve the answer of this one. Write the supplement of 143. What will be the supplement of 143? Please write down the answer. What will be the supplement of 143? Everyone, please write it down in the chat box. Then and I'm going to check the answer. Okay, very good. The answer is 37 degree, not 137. Answer is 37 degree. Now solve this one. Write the complement of 64. What will be the complement of 64? Very good. The complement of 64 is 26. Now solve this one. Find the element marked by a letter in the given figure and give reason to your answer. Now look at here. This is the figure which is given to you and you have to find it out the given elements. Okay. You have to find out the given elements and you also provide the reason. Now first tell me the answer of A. You will find it out A according to what and tell me the answer of A. A will be equals to what? A will be equals to what? And tell me the answer of and the reason. Okay. You have to give the reason as well. Hamza, please. Yes, very good, Alina. According to supplementary angles, you will write down the same reason that according to supplementary angles, A is equals to Hamza. Hamza ने तो आंसर दे दिया. Please, class. Why you are writing 175, beta? A is equals to what? 145, beta. 145 will be the answer. Yes, Abdul Arfan. Yes, you Sarah, you are right. Now find it out B. B will be equals to what and according to which angle? B and C will be find it out according to. Yes, very good. B will be equals to 35 degree. Very good, beta. And C will be equals to 145 degree according to vertical angles. Yes, according to vertical angles, you will write B is equals to 35 and C is equals to 145. Very good, Yusera. Very good, Alina. Very good, Varda. Okay, now this is the end of the lecture. After this lecture, I will post, after 15 minutes, I will post the Google assignment. Sorry, I will post a quiz on your Google Classroom. Understand? And if you want to ask anything, please ask. After 15 minutes, okay? After the 15 minutes, after this class, I'm going to post your quiz. And if you want to ask anything, please ask. Do you have any question?